Hey guys, once again I'm back with another video, and this time around I bring to you a $10 makeup challenge. I am using this duo. It is half highlighter, half concealer, and I am taking the concealer side to apply the product to my face.
Close your eyes and just stay tight, we have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me.
I'm using the salicylic acid powder I got from e.l.f. and I am using it with this little poof as a bronzer. So I just apply this on my cheekbones.
Stay with me.
I'm also taking this pretty eyeshadow and applying it to my lid and my crease. This whole step is about blend, 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 so blend away.
Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave.
Make sure you get that waterline as well, and make sure everything is blended.
This journey will relieve us. Stay with me.
Now take your lightest eyeshadow and apply it in your inner corners of your eyes. Nevertheless, get your brow bone as well. Okay ladies, time for those brows. All you gotta do is underline the bottom part of your eyebrow and then fill in the rest as you go. Remember that it is better to follow your natural eyebrow shape, as it will end in better results. Now I'm taking this liquid eyeliner that I got from e.l.f. and making sure both of my sides are evenly, I just make a sharp wing. I try to stay as close to my lash line as possible, you guys.
Never know. Can't find a reason why.
you guys want a tutorial on how I do my eyeliner, I will do one just for that in depth. So please give me a thumbs up or comment. I am taking this blue eyeliner from LA Colors and I am just staying really close to my waterline.
Try to forget all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge.
I'm using the same eyeshadow close to my wing. It will help create a smoky effect.
Is all we'll ever be.
I am just retouching my eyeshadow now. I am now taking the highlighter part of my duo. You can apply these to the areas where the light most hits your face. Don't forget those inner corners, guys. Now let's take our blush, dust off the excess, and apply to your cheeks. As you can see, I'm using the blush to set my lipstick. This mascara is from Wet n Wild. I'm using this mascara to coat my lashes. Make sure you start close to your lash line, then bring it upwards to coat your lashes. It makes your look a little bit more complete if you coat the bottom lashes too, so don't forget those. I'm using my mascara to comb my eyebrows into place. I'm using the darkest eyeshadow to create my desired look for my lips. I know this seems fairly odd, but this is the first time I ever use e.l.f. products, so it is pretty challenging.
I'll do this alone. We knew it all, but right now I just don't know. Yes, I'm heading home
now. Once I have my desired shade, I just clean out the edges. Make sure it looks smooth. Here is my go-to everyday makeup look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up.